As the highly transmissible COVID-19 Delta variant sweeps through Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia and Thailand, the Philippine government is in talks with manufacturers to procure more oxygen tanks. In an interview with Teleradyo Monday, July 19, Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergeire says hospitals are also asked to increase their beds for COVID-19 patients. Former National Task Force advisor Tony Liachon says the government should ramp up its testings, contact tracings, isolation, and quarantine facilities. Private Hospitals Association of the Philippines, Inc. also flags the country's shortage of nurses as a possible threat as the Delta variant looms. In related news, 2 more Filipinos who were sick with the Delta COVID-19 variant in the Philippines died, raising to 3 the total number of deaths because of the highly infectious variant. The 2 were among 11 local cases of the Delta variant. Both had no travel history outside the Philippines and both were unvaccinated. Meantime, in Singapore, its health ministry strongly advises unvaccinated individuals, especially the elderly, to stay home as much as possible over the next few weeks. Singapore reports 88 new locally transmitted COVID-19 cases Sunday, July 18, the highest daily toll since August last year. The jump in infections is a setback for the Asian business hub, which has successfully contained earlier outbreaks. In the United States, new U.S. COVID-19 cases surged 70% this week compared with the prior 7 days to an average of 30,000 new infections a day, fueled by the Delta variant. Deaths rise 26% week over week to an average of 250 lives lost a day, mostly unvaccinated patients. The rise in cases comes as U.S. Surgeon General Vivek Murthy says social media companies have fueled false narratives about the safety and effectiveness of COVID-19 vaccines. The comment also echoes President Joe Biden's comments that social media companies were killing people. In the United Kingdom, cases are rising by more than 50,000 a day, and hundreds of thousands of Britons are being asked to self-isolate for 10 days. The spike is causing havoc for employers and parents, prompting train cancellations and forcing some businesses to close their doors. Almost all remaining restrictions in England are lifted Monday, July 19, despite the surge in infections. This includes even the wearing of masks. Prime Minister Boris Johnson defends the move, saying the rise in cases was predicted.